Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we're going to have a discussion on the Galaxy Note 9 and if it's an overhyped phone or if this backlash is overhyped. We're going to go on both sides of the coin and really discuss the pros and cons of if it's worth the price, if it's worth upgrading, or if you should wait for the S10 or the foldable Galaxy phone or any other smartphone out there. So let's get started and make sure you like and share this video with anyone you know that wants or thinks about getting a Note 9 or another Samsung phone down the line. Let's get started. The price point. Is it really worth it or not? People are blowing the price way out of proportion. Let's be honest, compared to the Galaxy Note 8, this phone is on average $960 from last year, and now this year it's $999. So it's a $40 increase depending on your carrier, but Samsung's own price was $960 for the Note 8, so it's a $40 increase and you get double the storage. Yeah, you might be able to buy a micro SD card for that price, but it's not going to be as fast as internal storage. Not to mention, it's not $1,250 for your average person. Most people are going to get the $1,000 model, so stop blowing that out of proportion. It's not a $1,250 smartphone. That's the upgraded version. It starts at $1,000. That's actually the price. And finally, it's going to have sales. Samsung is going to offer BOGO deals. Samsung is going to offer discounts way before the end of the year. So it's not that big of a deal in terms of price. It's been way overhyped. Price is the problem. It really is an issue. Apple and Samsung have steadily increased the flagship price over the past few years, but yet they're giving us less and less reason to upgrade. They used to give wow features every single year, and now they don't. So yeah, price is an issue. You say it's only increased by $40, but why didn't you keep it at the same price and do a killer accessory that we want to buy with the phone that makes us want to spend that? A gaming pad, all share cast, something that really makes us want to get this phone and an accessory, and that could have helped out your profit margin. Overall, there are other brands out there. They're going for $580. They give you the same processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and they really are taking our money because of the fact that they're giving us more value for our dollar. So if you want to increase your price, that's fine. Just increase the value. Is it worth upgrading? Yes or no? Of course it's worth it to upgrade. Hello, 4,000 milliamp battery. That alone is worth the upgrade. Let's face it, your smartphone currently right now doesn't last all day anymore, does it? But this one will. So that alone is worth it, just to have those extra 4 hours of battery life in the day so you don't have to charge it in the middle of it. That is awesome. It's definitely a reason worth getting. Not to mention the fact you have stereo speakers, faster internet speeds, everything you need. It has a lot. If you don't believe me, this YouTube Tech Guy made a video on the 9 reasons you should upgrade from the Note 8. You should check it out. It'll probably be in the description down below. It's honestly not worth upgrading for me. The big 3 things they kept talking about was the fact that they have new S Pen features, more storage, and bigger battery. Well, S Pen features, honestly, I'm not really a big S Pen user, so I don't really know if I would use it just because of that. With the more storage, I have a micro SD card. Provides me plenty of storage. That's one of the things I like about Samsung to begin with. And yeah, it would be great to have a bigger battery, but at the same time, it's not worth $1,000. So is it worth upgrading? Maybe, but not at that price. Should I just wait for Samsung's next flagship? Okay, yes, the S10 is coming out January or February, and the foldable Samsung smartphone is probably coming out in March. Okay, let's take a look at those two. The S10 is going to be a cheaper smartphone compared to this. So that being said, they're probably not going to have all the same features. For instance, probably going to be 64 gigs of storage starting out instead of 128. Look, Samsung's keeping an eye on their profit margins. That's not going to change anytime soon. Not to mention, if you're complaining about the price, the foldable smartphone that you're really curious about that's going to be really different, that's going to be like $1,500. So let's be honest, is it worth the wait? It might not be. Not to mention that if you're a Note user, you're a Note user. You want power specs and long battery, and this phone gives you that. Those phones might not, especially with the new technology. They don't always turn out well the first year. I'd rather wait till it's refined on this Note or the next one. The Note 9 just didn't change enough for me. Yeah, I love the Note series, but next year is the 10th anniversary. You know they're going to go all out because they have to. They're going to do a redesign. They're going to do all these new features. You're going to have an all-screen display, fingerprint scanner in the screen, and 5G. These are worth the upgrade to me. And right now, I'm going to upgrade every 2 years because they're not changing enough. So changes like this is worth the wait and worth the price for me if I'm going to upgrade every 2 years to get the right phone. Alright guys, so let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Which side were you on? Worth it, not worth it, too high price, not enough? Honestly, I think if they kept the price at what it was last year, they would have sold more. It was just that price hike that really is going to be their downfall in a sense, and not upgrading as much as they could have. Overall, I understand both sides because I'm not a tech YouTuber that tells you buy this high-end stuff. I will tell you if something's a ripoff, as I did in a previous video recently. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm very curious of your thoughts, and also if you like this style of video, maybe we'll do it for the iPhone and Pixel. Let me know by giving a thumbs up. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.